as we surpassed that level of 30,000 for the first time ever. The Nifty too had a very smart rally, although we ended at about 93.51, which is record highs all the way. The broader end of the market too put out a very smart show, and we succumbed to selling pressure, though by the time we shut shop, and they cooled off a little bit. You had a number of names which stood out, the likes of ITC, M&M, Hindalco, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, which did their bit today. Let's get in Aisha Faridi, who joins in with a market wrap. And Aisha, it was a stellar close for the index, record highs.
Yes, we did to a fair degree. So back above the 93.50 zone for the Nifty. Couldn't quite make up for all the lost gain when it came to the broader markets, because the small caps still closed in marginally in the red. However, they did manage to recoup those 1% losses, or 1.5% losses actually, that they were sitting on in intraday session, but did see some red ticks towards close. What was under pressure then? Or actually, first let me just point out the index gainers, considering the benchmark indexes managed to hold out. You had ITC, which held out very smartly. M&M continued its traction from yesterday, and some of the private banking majors led by ICICI Bank as well as Yes Bank and Indices, they were the ones which were holding out very smartly today. After that, Hindalco as well saw some rebound coming in after last week's correction in the metals pack. Some of the futures and options movers were largely the likes of tire names. They held out very smartly. So be it a CED, be it in Apollo, be it in MRF, they were all holding out very smartly. NIIT Technologies looked very good. Cummins was another strong mover. What came under correction in today's trading session was some of the key Adani names, or rather all the Adani group stocks. Adani Enterprises, which cracked nearly 14% intraday today. You had Adani Power, which cracked about almost 3%. And then, of course, real estate, which has been the best performer year to date, that as well saw some corrective moves. So Indiabulls Real Estate, you had HDIL, DLF, these were all stocks which saw some red ticks coming in. HPCL, Shriram Transport Finance, and names like Reliance Industries, which have been such a big winner, as was the case yesterday, that as well eased off a wee bit. Having said that, the momentum for the market continues, but I guess the volatility is only going to increase, it being expiry tomorrow.